from the backyard. So fresh. And I'm gonna make stuffed squash blossoms.
Ano ingredient nun?
This is our ingredients: ricotta, parmesan, parsley, lemon zest.
That's it?
Yeah. And I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. The best appetizer namin yan nung pumunta kami sa Europe.
Sa which part of Italy is that?
Sorrento.
Sorrento?
Yeah.
Oh, that's where the driver took us.
So, yeah, gonna mix it.
Yeah, Andre. Andre. Yeah, we remember Andre.
So, this is the main ingredients for this one. Ricotta cheese.
See? Give me the ricotta cheese.
Why? Then parmesan.
Oh.
We both got this from Italy.
Not Italy, but the
Italy.
yeah,
Store.
The store. That's a aged Parmesan cheese, super good.
I'm so glad that we have that store here. We get to taste Italy's
That's parsley?
Yep.
Is that Italian parsley or?
Yeah.
Okay. So make sure you don't create the label.
Yeah. No doubt.
You're mixing the ingredient now.
Got it.
Ang tawag mo dyan?
Piping bag. Hindi ko ganyan. I'm not gonna like it. I'm just gonna talk sa
Mas maganda kamayin mo.
No.
Gamitin mo yan?
Sayang yung pumunta sa kamay ko, Didikit lang siya. Oh my God.
Here, let me hold it. Hold on.
This is the butter.
That's the tempura mix, right?
Yeah. I think that's good. Oh, it's too small.
How much you gonna put?
Maybe just like this. I'm not sure how much.
Eh, pag hindi kulang, idininding mo na lang yung sobra. Is that enough?
I'm gonna put some more. Actually, hindi rin masarap pag maraming fish. So we just go like that. Like that.
Paano mag-touch yan?
Mag-ano siya dito? Like last time. See, look. Oh! See hot already? Oh, I think not yet. I should have not put it yet. Okay, that's it, Daddy.
No, it's hot already.
Did you see me like this? I went like this.
Yeah, it's hot already.
Okay.
It's gonna do. Here. Watch.
See that?
Kailangan mo yung mangkok ka. Okay. Hot already.
Okay.
Now we're gonna try, what do you call this?
Stuffed squash blossom.
And you put some marinara sauce. Not too much, just the right amount. And chuck it in. Mmm. Mmm. Really good. Mm.
Mm.
Bata.